Kickstart your week with Monday's breakfast: Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. For lunch, enjoy a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette. End Monday with a healthy dinner: baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Tuesday breakfast: oatmeal topped with sliced almonds and peach slices. For lunch, savor a hearty lentil soup with a side of mixed green salad. Tuesday dinner: stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables served with brown rice. Wednesday breakfast: a refreshing smoothie to keep you energized. Lunch: turkey and avocado wrap using whole grain tortilla with a side of carrot sticks. Wednesday dinner: baked chicken breast with sweet potato and green beans. Start your Wednesday right. Blend spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a refreshing smoothie. For lunch, enjoy a turkey and avocado wrap using a whole grain tortilla with a side of crunchy carrot sticks. Dinner is baked chicken breast with sweet potato and green beans. Nutritious and delicious. Thursday morning: scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole wheat toast. Simple and satisfying. Lunch is a chickpea salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, parsley, and a zesty lemon vinaigrette. Dinner: grilled shrimp with quinoa and sautéed zucchini. Light and flavorful. Friday starts with cottage cheese topped with fresh sliced strawberries. A sweet and creamy start. Lunch: tuna salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and olive oil dressing. Dinner: grilled turkey burger, no bun, with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts and a small serving of wild rice. Kickstart your Saturday with a refreshing smoothie bowl. Blend mixed berries with Greek yogurt and top with crunchy granola for a nutritious breakfast. For lunch, enjoy a spinach and mushroom omelet with a side of whole grain toast. A perfect combination of flavors and health. End your Saturday with a delicious baked cod served with barley and steamed asparagus. Nutritious and satisfying. Start your Sunday with whole grain toast topped with creamy avocado and a perfectly poached egg. Simple and delicious. Enjoy a cod served with barley and steamed asparagus. Wrap up your weekend with grilled chicken kebabs, bell peppers, onions, and a side of brown rice. Perfect for a wholesome dinner. Treat yourself to these delicious meals this weekend and feel the difference in your energy and health. Bon appétit!